want to eat it as soon as possible.
Me too. Who is?
Looks better. Hey guys!
What's up, people?
And welcome back to the channel.
So guys, if you haven't seen our Australia vlogs, you guys have to see it.
Yeah, we went to this amazing restaurant that I really wish we had here in New Zealand. It's called Manjeet's.
Manjeet's, yeah.
That's
So
so
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जब हम रेस्टोरेंट पे गए थे, वहाँ पे हमने biggest naan in
Biggest naan.
Australia.
I even made naan in that video. That was a really cool time.
Yeah.
It's also like, oh my gosh.
That's huge.
Do it fast.
Okay.
Yep.
So today we are at a restaurant in New Zealand,
Yes.
which sells the biggest thali.
Yes.
And it's called Dara Singh Thali.
Yes, and it comes with mixed veg, dal makhani, shahi paneer, aloo sabji, sambar, chana masala, rice, fried rice, Manchurian, papadi, aloo paratha, roti, plain naan, plain dosa, tomato and coconut chutney, vada, idli, paratha, pickle, salad, fudge jamun, and finally rasgulla.
So Chanel ने कभी थाली खाई नहीं है ऐसे because these thalis are very popular in India, like biggest bahubali thalis and stuff. But I'm really excited कि हमें एक रेस्टोरेंट मिला जहाँ पे हम ये एक्सपीरियंस करें और let's see what Chanel's reaction है उसमें क्या क्या आता है.
I'm excited. I've never had a big, like, huge thali before.
Yeah. Before we start this video, what you gotta do?
Yeah, like the video.
Like this video if you like it. Comment what you guys want us to do next and
Subscribe.
We have some lunch companions, which we're gonna need your help if it's that much food. And this is
Yeah, we've been waiting. We've not had anything because we were supposed to have this thali.
तो हमने खाना सुबह से बिल्कुल भी नहीं खाया है and I'm really excited as well.
this is a really cute place. You got like nice lighting. You got so many
We
sweets.
don't wanna sponsor.
I really like these chandeliers. This is cute.
Today is Floyd Mayweather versus Logan Paul match and happening right now. I'm just so super excited.
I hope that
Logan Paul loses.
Yeah, kinda. Sorry, Logan.
He's good, but Floyd Mayweather is like next level, you know. Oh.
It's a pretty good fight. At least nobody's knocked out yet.
I was playing on Instagram. Who won?
Floyd won, but
nobody got knocked out.
Yeah, nobody got knocked out, and there were rules of this fight that we are not gonna tell you the points or declare who's winning.
Okay.
So kind of it was a draw. So boring.
Oh.
It's alright. We're still waiting for our thali. Been half an hour, but it's gotta be a big thali because it's Dara Singh Thali.
And I know it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good.
Sure,
So
let's see.
Oh, it's a dosa. Nice. Yes, love that.
It's not all. It's not all.
That's not all?
It's not all. It looks like more of a starter. I'm so hungry. I just wanna eat that samosa chaat right now. This is all.
we have 23 items in front of us.
Including dosa.
And I'm very hungry, so I want to eat it as soon as possible.
Me too. All right, guys. You hungry? You ready? You ready to eat? What do you wanna start with, Chanel?
This one. Chana sabji.
चना सब्जी
हाँ.
बिकॉज अब हमारे पास ये सब कुछ है इसके अंदर मंचूरियन फ्राइड राइस पापड़ चना ये सारी सब्जियां ये सारे स्टार्टर्स पराठा डोसा नान रोटी
Okay.
I'm so hungry super hungry
So first bite is the chickpea curry. Nice one.
like it
Yeah.
good.
Oh, the sambar.
The sambar, yeah, for the dosa.
Sambar is like my favorite. It's one of my favorites.
Really?
Yeah, I call sambar pea celery because like you have the
drumsticks.
yeah.
It's North Indian, Chinese, and South
Yeah,
Indian
yeah.
cuisine.
That's right. Like North Indian,
like
Chinese, and
three.
South Indian. That's why they make it Dara Singh Thali.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just do this.
Manchurian. Leave one Manchurian for me.
Right? You can have it. Alright,
How's the idli?
Oh, it's good.
Good. मैं भी जाता हूँ खाने क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत भूख लग रही है. Give me some.
yeah, let's get you a good bite, shall we?
Yeah, give me a good bite.
Like kidney bean?
That's dal makhani.
Rajma.
It's dal makhani.
Oh, dal makhani. Good. It's good. And that's paratha. What you are eating is paratha.
This doesn't feel like paratha.
Oh, nice enough.
I'm a desi girl, don't lie to me. Want a bite of the shahi paneer?
Yeah, give me. I'm very hungry. So guys, this whole thali is worth $40. $40 is 2,000 rupees. And for 4 people, it's very cheap, man.
I mean, yes.
$10 per person.
For multiple people, it is a nice deal.
That's really yummy.
Yeah, that was the shahi paneer.
This is kind of a restaurant. Kind of, I would say fast food Indian restaurant, kind of. Well, they don't have much spicy things, and
It's a sweets restaurant. That's why.
yeah, but I never like it. Like Bikaner, I don't enjoy it at all. I was very scared when I come here to eat, but I'm impressed. It's really good. I'm gonna start with dosa, but dosa doesn't have any filling.
Oh, why?
Is it nanga dosa?
Yeah, why? I like nanga dosa better.
It's good, man.
Looks better.
There's so many things. I'm just thinking what to dive in.
Right?
I'm going to
So many decisions.
chaat papdi.
It's chaat.
Yeah, I don't really like chaat usually.
You like it. It's really yummy. I wish today we had someone who is not eating. Everyone of us is eating. Paratha with pickle.
Oh, I'm so scared of pickle. It's not bad.
Let's see how much we could eat and then we'll show you after like what's left.
Love it.
हम जैसे खा रहे हैं सारे एक किसी चीज में कोई हाथ मार रहा है किसी चीज में कोई हाथ मार रहा है. Yeah, but we are finished with our rotis. I think we would need more rotis. You guys need more rotis?
Maybe.
You guys need motis.
Motis.
You guys are motis. Yeah, let's order some rotis. Reviews.
I love it.
Reviews.
Rama's got thoughts.
I think the thali is split. I like the idea that it's split cuisine-wise.
Yeah, you got like the Indo-Chinese here.
But then thali means
the South
all in
Indian,
one.
yeah,
But yeah, exactly. In our head, thali is one big massive thali. So
Yeah.
you could have one big massive with little things. Presentation 5 on 10.
5 on 10.
Sorry.
50%.
What do you say?
Same. How are we feeling about taste-wise?
How are we feeling like taste wise?
The chaat was good. The chutneys were good. Even the curries were nice. But yeah, Chinese was like very average. Rice was dry. Manchurian was too hard. Yeah.
Oh, I
What
like
about
that. You're getting
like out of 10?
specific.
Out of 10?
Out of 10, I would say 6.
6. Okay. I will comment on quantity. I think this thali is only for 2 people. They will be very full. 2 people will be very full, but 3 and 4 will just adjust. Because we finished all our sabjis, we finished all our rotis, but we are still hungry. I am hungry.
Yes.
पूरा दिन भूखे हो तो 2 बंदे, अगर पूरा दिन भूखे नहीं हो तो 3 बंदे आराम से.
So in terms of like taste and overall experience,
Yeah.
I feel like it's not bad. Like 7 comes into my mind out of 10. Maybe if you guys know of any other thalis in New Zealand, let me know in the comments and we can go check them out.
Yeah.
Maybe we could be a connoisseur of New Zealand
But
thalis.
still we have dessert left. Wait, not ending yet. And so you all can tell we were very hungry because we finished pretty much every single thing. Only dessert, sweets and dahi is left.
Yeah.
But everything is completely finished.
You know what I was thinking? I really like thalis because it's kind of fun that you have different flavors. In America, we don't really have anything like this. I mean, we have like buffets, but no. Wouldn't it be cool if there's like an American thali with like pizza, pasta, burger.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Yeah. Maybe.
And Sunday vanilla. You know, in the dessert. Brownie,
See, that'd be cute.
donuts.
And also very, very unhealthy.
Yeah. We gotta go to India to experience the original thali.
Yeah, we will.
There is a thali in India.
Yeah.
It's shaped of an Indian map.
Yeah.
And whatever
Different cuisines.
from that region.
Yeah.
So from Maharashtrian side they put all the Maharashtrian dishes. For Gujarat side they all Gujarati dishes. For Punjab side they put all the. So
That sounds so cool.
we gotta do that.
Yeah, I've been to India twice, but I would like to experience that as soon as possible.
Right. Let's eat our sweets and finish this video.
You take one half.
Cheers.
Oh, are you feeding me?
No, we gotta cheers.
Oh, we're cheersing. Okay.
Cheers. You like these ones, right? So we'll just switch.
Okay.
Okay. Cheers. Good. Okay.
It's not gonna change my rating, but it's still nice. Huh.
So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun doing this.
It was fun.
If there is something different in New Zealand that you guys know,
Comment.
DM us or comment, like we'll do
Yeah,
it.
definitely.
See you in the next video.
Alright, love you guys. Mwah. Bye.